Alright guys, I thought I'd do an update here on piston number 1. So when we last measured it, before we did any polishing the sides, trying to get rid of those scratches, before we did that, I measured it. It was so the top of the skirt was 3.773, middle was 3.777, and the bottom of the skirt was 3.775. And we measured the piston top, measured it crossways, so up and down, side to side, and it was pretty much the same, 3.764, but just wanted to do that to double check. I didn't touch the top of the piston skirt, but we're going to measure it now after that stuff's been done and see what we have here. Alright guys, we're going to try and measure this piston again after I reworked it a little bit. I didn't want to take too much more material off if I took anything off, so I just did it to a point where I could just barely feel the scratch on the other side. So we're just going to measure like the top, middle, and bottom and just see where we're at and compare it with the other numbers. Okay, I'm getting between 3.772 and 3 on this, so which it didn't even really move from the first number. So we'll do the middle now. That's reading 3.775. As you can see, the middle last time was 3.777. We'll do the bottom now. Seems kind of ridiculous, I know, but I'm just curious to see what all happened here. Zero this out. Okay. Okay, so the bottom, we're around 3.776, and it kind of just to 7, so didn't look like we lost much there, I don't think, or that's weird. I wonder if maybe I didn't measure the first time right or something, because the first measurement was 3.775, sorry, and this one's 777 for the bottom. I don't know, maybe I did something wrong there, I'm not too sure. But that's what we're getting, it looks like. Let me double check again here. Yeah, it's oh, that's not right. What's going on with this thing? Zeroed out. Okay. Yeah, it's 3.777, so I mean, it is what it is. Looks like we lost a little bit on 0.001 of material on the first one, so there's the numbers there, so. Yeah, a bit of a strange, it's kind of a strange video to do, to be honest, measuring the piston skirt like that, but yeah, just see what we came up with. This was the top, obviously. I showed you that already. All right. Okay, guys, well, thanks a lot for watching. We'll check you later. Cheers. Actually, one other thing here, I'll just show you guys what it looks like there. This was the worst side right here. It's not that bad, like, a lot of it. There's the other side, if you can see it. This one's pretty well smooth right off. It's not bad, really. The only thing left really to do is I gotta just clean them, some brake cleaner, and that's about it, I think. And yeah, we'll see what happens from there on.